Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Humanities. I hope that you had a wonderful weekend because we sure had some really great weather, and I really hope that you got to go outside and enjoy it because we know that we do not have many warm days left. So, hope you got to get outside and get some of your wiggles out over the weekend. Okay, you will notice that today I don't have our lovely feelings chart behind me, and that's because I'm going to teach you two new words, and I want you to concentrate on those two words. But don't worry, tomorrow that feelings chart will be here, and I will add our two new words to the chart. Here we go. So, if I'm teaching you two new words, and we have to figure out what you're going to do with those two new words, where should we go to find that out? Your learning target. So let's get there. Again, only one, but it's important. So here we go. I can explain what confused and disappointed mean. Okay, so that is your job today, is to try to figure out what confused and disappointed mean. It's my job to help you define it. That means to help explain it to you. Okay, so here we go. Which one do I want to do first? Ooh, I think I want to do disappointed first because it's a long word. Okay, here we go. Disappointed. We're going to say that 3 times. Are you ready? Disappointed. 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 Okay, and your other word is confused. We're going to say this 3 times too. Ready, go. Confused. Confused. One last time. Confused. Okay? So our two new words are disappointed and confused. Confused and disappointed. Confused, disappointed. Disappointed, confused. Are you ready to figure out what each one means? Okay, let's take disappointed first. So first I want you to look at the little boy. Is he happy here? No. How do we know he's not happy? Yeah, he's not smiling, so he's not happy. Okay, so disappointed is not a really good feeling, but it's also not a very bad feeling. It's kind of like an in-between feeling. And disappointed means that something that you really wanted to happen did not happen, okay? So something you really wanted to happen did not happen, okay? I'm going to give you an example. Say that you wanted a new puppy for your birthday. That's what you wanted. That's what you want your grown-up to give to you for your birthday. But then your birthday comes and you open up all your presents and you did not get that puppy. You would feel disappointed because you really, really wanted that puppy. But then you didn't get that puppy, okay? You got something else. So that's what disappointed means. It means, one more time, that something that you really, really want to happen didn't happen. Disappointed, okay? Now here's the other word, confused. And let's look really closely. Do you think that boy is happy? No. So again, confused is not a really good feeling, but it's also not a bad feeling. He looks like he might have a question, doesn't he? Look really closely. He's got his finger on his face and he's looking up and his eyes are kind of pointing up. So it looks like he might be thinking of a question, right? So confused means that you don't know what to do, okay? You're confused. You don't know what to do, all right? So say someone gives you a pencil and says, write, okay? You could be confused and say, well, I don't know what to write. What am I supposed to write? So confused means you don't know what to do. Confused means, yes, you don't know what to do. Disappointed means that you wanted something to happen and it did not happen. Confused means you don't know what to do. Okay, you just don't know what to do. So these are our two new words for today. Your job when you go on Seesaw is to figure out which picture means what. So again, you're going to have two different pictures. Okay, you've done this before. And then you're going to use the hand tool to move one of the three words under the correct picture. Now, disappointed will be a word, confused will be a word, and one of our old feelings words, or maybe a new one too, is the third word. Okay, so make sure you pay attention to disappointed. It's very, very long, and it starts with D, letter D. Confused, confused, starts with the letter C. That will help you figure out which word is which. And then your job is to move that word under the correct picture that matches the feeling, okay? So go ahead and do that. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.